Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman and Ranking Member Neal, for bringing this bill, the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Permanence Act, before the committee today. And thank you, Congressman Davis, for being my partner on this legislation. The Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program is a matching grant program administered by the IRS, where the federal government partners with the local community to provide free tax preparation services to individuals with an annual income of less than $54,000 and for those with a limited proficiency in English. Tax return preparer fraud is a major problem in our country, and South Florida knows this well. The IRS consistently ranks preparer fraud among the most prevalent tax scams in their annual report. Each tax filing season, fraudulent preparers take advantage of taxpayers by claiming inflated expenses, false deductions, or unallowable credits on their client's return. They attract more business by promoting larger refunds and may even siphon off the tax refund to their own accounts. Then, when the IRS detects a false return, the tax preparer and not the return preparer is liable for the additional taxes and/or penalties. Unfortunately, it is those on the lower end of the income spectrum and those who struggle with English that are the prime targets of fraudulent preparers. The VITA program offers a solution to vulnerable populations by not only filing their taxes for free, but doing so with a high level of accuracy. VITA preparers are IRS certified and boast a 94% accuracy rating, which is among the highest of all preparers. The House and the Senate Appropriations Committees have continued to include strong funding for the VITA program regardless of which party is in the majority. H.R. 2901 would build upon this support by permanently authorizing the VITA grant program. Furthermore, H.R. 2901 would ensure that VITA preparers maintain their already strong accuracy rates by requiring accuracy rates above 90% in order to qualify. Filing a tax return can be enough of a headache on its own. Taxpayers should be able to file their tax returns confidently without the fear of being scammed. When taxpayers use VITA services to file their tax returns, they can rest assured knowing that their returns will be filed accurately and without the threat of fraud. Mr. Chairman, colleagues, this legislation will leave a lot of lower-income people in our country better off. It'll improve quality of life for people who want to comply with the tax code. I encourage all the members of this committee to vote in favor of H.R. 2901, the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Permanence Act, which has a proven track record of success in assisting Americans in one of their most basic civic duties, filing their taxes. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I yield back.